Hello, welcome to Barcema Hall, home of NIU's College of Business. My name is Andy Rasmussen and I am a Tech Support Associate here in Barcema Hall. And this is Jeanette Biava, our office manager. Today we are going to show you the technology available to you in a tiered classroom. When you enter the room, there will be a set of light switches on the wall. The first light switch will turn on all the lights except the lights by the screen. The middle switch dims the lights, and the last switch, labeled front, controls the lights by the screen. There is also a set of switches by the podium. To lower the screen, push the manila switch down. It will stop by itself. To raise the screen, push the switch up. If you want to stop the screen, push the switch to its middle setting. The podium houses the computer, the VCR, the touchscreen, and the document camera. The door underneath the flat panel monitor holds the computer. The drawer holds the remotes to the room, and the door next to the drawer holds the power supply, the VCR, and the switch box. The touchscreen on top of the desk controls everything in the room except for the computer. To power on the room, touch the screen. If the screen is blank, the first touch will turn the screen on. A second touch will turn on the projector, speakers, and VCR. To turn the computer on, push the blue button once. The monitor should turn on automatically. If the monitor doesn't turn on, push the power button once. You can log on to the computer two different ways. You can put a check mark in the workstation only box and click OK, or you can enter your Novell username and password. If you checked workstation only, you will have internet access, but you will not have access to your network drive. The Podium computer contains most of the same software installed on your office computer. To display the computer from the projector, press the corresponding icon on the screen labeled Podium Computer. Then press the Send to Screen button in the middle of the touchscreen. To open the document camera, place one hand on the base and pull up on the blue ring. Once the camera has been raised, turn the head of the camera away from you until the buttons are facing you. To turn the camera on, push the power button. You do not have to hold the button down, it only takes one press. To display the document camera, press the corresponding icon on the screen labeled Document Camera and push Send to Screen. The VCR is a standard VHS VCR, and it is also hooked up to the local cable television feed. When a tape is inserted into the VCR, it will start playing automatically. To display the VCR, press the corresponding icon on the touchscreen labeled VCR and then push Send to Screen. There is a switch box in the room, but do not use this as the touchscreen is used to control everything in the room. The touchscreen also controls the volume in the room. There are two volume controls on the screen, source and microphone. The source volume controls the volume from all inputs. For example, if the VCR isn't loud enough, press the source volume control and then increase the volume to an optimal level. You do not use the switch box for this operation. If you want to use your laptop on the projector, there are audio and video hookups on top of the desk and the corresponding cables inside the drawer. The hookups are located in the black inlay next to the monitor. Once you have your laptop connected and powered up, push the Podium Computer button on the touchscreen. Yeah. There is an additional switch box located above the computer that is labeled 1 and 2. It is normally set to 1. To display your laptop, press the 2 button and make sure your laptop is set to display to an external monitor. To display the regular computer, press 1 again. There is a wireless microphone available for use in these rooms. It is stored in the drawer with the remote controls. To turn on the microphone, slide the plastic guard down and press the red button. When the microphone is turned on, it will display a number code. This number is the frequency of the receiver in the room. Place the clip in the middle of your chest. This is optimal placement for sound. When testing the microphone, you shouldn't be able to hear yourself talk. Ask the people in the back of the room if the sound level is okay.
Can you hear me?
If it is too loud or too soft, use the microphone volume control to correct the volume. The microphone volume control is used solely to control the volume from the microphone. Once your class is over, turn the room off by pressing the Room Off button on the touchscreen. It will ask you if you are sure. Push yes. Turn the microphone off by pressing the red button again. Turn off the computer by using the standard procedure, pressing the start button and then pressing shut down. Replace all of the remotes, cables, and microphone to the drawer. Close all of the Podium cabinets and lock the drawer by turning the knob to the left. There are telephones installed in every room. If you need immediate assistance, Tech Resources phone number is programmed into the phone's memory on the first speed dial button. If you have any questions regarding this training, please contact Tech Resources either via email at coptech@niu.edu or by calling us at 752-TECH. Thank you for watching.